Today we're going to talk about step number 27 of your 28-point furnace inspection and tune-up. Step number 27, inspect the natural gas lines and the natural gas valves for leaks and safety. In most furnaces, we have a natural gas safety shutoff valve that's located back here. We have a gas flex that's flexible, and then we have a hard pipe that comes inside here. Now, if you were working around the equipment, or maybe a box bumped it, or somebody tried to wiggle in there and get something going on, you could have knocked a fitting loose. We don't want gas leaking. If you got gas leaking out right here, and then we have fire right here, that could cause a boom that you just don't want in your house. Something that's really important is we want to make sure that there's this flexible line right here. California is prone to earthquakes. They keep talking about the next big one. In a lot of homes that we go to, it's hard piped from the main gas line coming into your home, hard piped directly into the furnace. If you have enough of an earthquake and the house starts shaking enough, you could actually shear that gas line and just have a complete gas leak inside the home. And if any kind of spark, there's another boom that you don't want in your home. One of the other things that we find sometimes is this flexible line is ran through this sharp metal cabinet. So just the vibrations of this system running with this sharp metal and this soft metal will actually shear through that and cause little holes and pinhole leaks inside there. Then when you go to start the unit up, you'll get this little poof happen. You go, what was that? The furnace is running just fine. Really, it's not, because you have a really small gas leak inside there. Eventually, that's going to turn into a big gas leak. And again, the big boom you don't want to hear, we don't want that to happen. We want to keep you safe in your home. We want to keep everybody happy, healthy, and comfortable. Please get your maintenance done. Call us for a tune-up. We come out, go through all 28 points, get you set up on a maintenance program. Then you don't have to worry about it anymore, because you'll have the peace of mind that everything's working, is safe, and as efficient as possible every year. See you on the next video.